Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel of Inspiring Trader. I'm Faiz bin Naz, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe this channel, hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of my educational videos. So today I'll be giving you 4 pairs for this coming week, and last week I couldn't give, and before that I've given, and I think 90% of our levels have worked. So let's see what is there for this week without any delay. So we are in Euro USD 1 hour time frame. This is an important area for me. Which one? This one. This area I have given once, but it hit our stop loss. Now let's see about this level once again. So what do we require? This isn't a massive downtrend, but here we can see some huge support, and also in weekly, let's see. In weekly, it has made lower low, so we have to have that in our mind that it can, the probability is like the overall higher time frame is still in downtrend. So this can be one bounce, and see, look at here, there is a hammer formed and there's a good bullish candle formed. That's why above that we can go long. So to take entry, we can go to this 1 hour and see the price is consolidating, and above this green zone which I told, any bullish candle closing, you can also wait for retest if you know how to take a retest entry. If there is a bullish candle here and if there is a retest, it comes here, then it forms a bullish candle, then you can look for the target of this one. So this will be the target. So what is the level here? You can just pause the video and you can see above this, it means at this level. I'll mark this blue. So above 1.02767, and the first target will be 103,889. So that is the target which I believe, but if price sustains again, then the next target will be somewhere here. Okay, this is for this week. So we can see what is it doing tomorrow. It's Monday, right? So if the price goes and if it reverses from this area, you have to leave it. The stop loss will be below this breakout candle, okay, somewhere here. So it will be somewhere around 1:2, more than 1:2, okay. And I hope you guys have watched my previous video which I've posted. It's very important. You can just go to my channel and check, or I'll try to put my link on the description. How to protect our capital. Without protecting the capital, there shouldn't be any trade, isn't it? Yes or no? So this is the level which you can see. If our second target gets hit, if it will be more than 1:3.3, but you can take out your position like 70% in this first target itself. Let's see what next. AUD JPY. If you see, this is in very long trend line. This is taking support from the long trend line. It has not taken support, but it is, it is a kind of consolidating, and it is holding that level. So what you can do above this in 1 hour time frame, we need a good bullish candle. So this way. And if it closes above this wicks, we can go long for the target of at least this one. Why? It will take resistance at this area. So below that, the bullish candle below this, or this below trend line, will be our stop loss. Okay, yeah. And there is a sell side also in this. If any candle closes below this one, this trend line, and below this level, or for a safer side, you can go short below this. Okay. So there is a both trade. Buy above this here 93.4, sell below this 91.2. So sell, maybe it will take time. Tuesday you may get the levels. If this falls, there will be a massive fall until this and this. I'll make it pink. So these are the level for buy side and sell side in AUD JPY. Okay, it's in very good. It's taking very good trend line support. All right. So yes, nothing much. This one, Swiss JPY. This is for short. Okay. Now let me delete this. This is for short, below this one, below this. So there is a small trend line. It's a very quick trade, guys. Okay, quick trade below this. Below this wick we can short. Okay, above this will be the stop loss. I'll make it red. And what will be the target? The first conservative or the first target will be here. So this will be somewhere 1:1, and the second target will be this one, this black one. So that will be a good target, I believe. So if we find any good, why this we have to short? Because it is in downtrend. Okay, it's, look at this, the structure of this. It is making what? It is making lower high and lower low, lower high and lower low. Now it is, maybe it is making lower high and it is trying to break down, and it may at least take first support, or it will reach until this level, guys. Okay, that is why we are shorting this, and this is a very quick trade. You don't have to carry for 4-5 days and all. Okay, all right. So then also you can see this, look at this one. It's a very good support area. So I will also look for buying once it reach at this level. Okay, it's a very good important level, guys. All right, let's go to this New Zealand yen, JPY. Now here, this is not for Monday. This you may have to wait. It is in downtrend, but if it reaches at this area, you can see this is a very good area bounce. It has bounced many times, and it's a good demand area is what I believe. And it doesn't mean that, okay, it will come to this demand zone and it will go like rocket. It can go wrong also. That's why we have to use the stop loss, right? So what you have to do is let it come and settle at this area. Okay, let it come and settle it, and you have to watch what is it actually doing. Okay, now here if it creates any trend line and then breakout, you can go long with the stop loss of here. This below this area will be the stop loss, and you have to find good setup over here. This is just to put on radar. I don't have any setup here, but this is how I am preparing. I'll be watching out on Monday. What is it doing? So based on that, I will take trade. Okay, first target will be somewhere here. Okay, 84.3. I hope you guys will pause the video and note down the levels. I don't want just to note down the levels, rather you guys have to study, you have to observe. That's why the whole purpose of this video. So these are the 4 pairs, guys, and let's see how it goes. I'll be giving alert in Telegram channel, and I will also be taking trade. And yes, I hope you guys have enjoyed and learned. Don't go with a big position. Okay, fairs have given and it will go and hit the target. No, go based on your risk appetite, risk management. Follow the risk management. Don't go big quantities or big position. Go with less, learn more, observe more. Okay, and money is an automatic factor. All right, then I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much.